Welcome students to my channel My Way Learning. Today, to continue with our topic measurement, we are going to learn about capacity. Capacity is used to find the quantity of liquids. In the previous section, we have learned distance between the two places, for which we use meter, kilometer, centimeter. Then when we want to find the weight of solid things, then we use kg, grams, milligram. Now, as we are going to find quantity of liquid, we use liter, milliliter, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter and centiliter. Generally, liter and milliliter, these are the two common terms which are used to find the capacity. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1, 2, 3. That means 1000 milliliter. So, when you want to know the quantity of liquid, don't say kg or grams. We use milliliter, liter or kiloliter according to the need. As capacity follow the same rule of measurement and weight, so now today I am going to explain you how to solve word problem directly. For example, you have 2.5 liter of tea which has to be poured into cup of 250 ml each. And now you have to find how many cups we can fill with that much tea. You have 2.5 liter of tea and the capacity of a cup is 250 ml. As I said in my previous section, then whenever you have two different units, make them one. As we saw, two different units in this, one is milliliter and another is liter. So what we have to do, we have to convert these two into one unit. As milliliter is smaller than liter, so we convert liter into milliliter first. Then what to do? How many difference is there? It is about 1000 steps. So we multiply 2.5 liter with 1000. Let us do. Now I multiply 2.5 liter with 1000 and get 2500 milliliter. 10 get cancelled with when you remove this denominator. So you get 2500 ml. Capacity of 1 cup is 250 ml. So I have to find the number of cup. I just divide 2500 ml with 250 ml and I get 10. So how many cups we can fill with 2.5 liter? It is 10 cups. In this way we solve word problems. Let us do some more. Let us solve one more question. From a jug with 2 liter water, 1750 ml of water has been taken out. What quantity of water is left in the jug? Now again we have two different quantities, milliliter and liter. Can we subtract directly from 2 to this number? No. So what we have to do? We have to convert liter into milliliter. As the question is said, how much is left? So it is of subtraction. First of all, convert 2 liter into milliliter, which will become. Now let us convert 2 liter into milliliter. By just multiply 2 with 1000, I get 2000 milliliter. Now how much water is consumed? It is 1750 ml. So subtract these two numbers. I get 250 ml left with me in the jug. In this way, we can find how much quantity of water is left in the jug. So when we are going to solve word problem or any other question of these type in the measurement, just first convert quantities into same unit. Like if you have kg and gram, then convert both into grams and then perform the activity what is required for the question. It may be of multiply, divide, plus or minus. It's all depend on the question. But first of all, we have to convert them into same unit. Now let us check how many of you are able to answer these questions. 3 liter 225 milliliter can be written as 3.225 milliliter or 3.225 liter. Now which is the correct option according to you? Some of you think that 3.225 milliliter is correct and other thought 3.225 liter is correct. And I also said that 3.225 liter is correct. Now let us explain why this is the correct option, not this one. As the decimal is of the same place, then what is the difference in these two units? It is milliliter and here it is liter. When we put decimal in this case, we get answer in liter, not in milliliter. Because when you convert liter into milliliter, you will multiply the number with 1000. And in case of milliliter, I get 3225 milliliter. And in case of liter, I get 3.225 liter. So this is the correct option for this question. Now let us check another. 4 gram 5 milligram is equal to 4.5 gram or 4005 milligram. Again, I said this option is correct. The reason is same. When you convert gram into milligram, I multiply 4 with 1000 and that will become 4000. Then plus 5, it will become 4005 milligram. When I said 4.5 gram, that means I said I have 4 grams plus 500 milligrams, which is not the correct option of this question. So this option is correct. Same way, 17 kilometer is equal to 17,000 meter. Because when you convert kilometer into meter, multiply this number with 1000 and you get 17,000 meter. So this option is correct for this question. I hope now you are able to understand measurement, capacity, length and weight. For more updates, keep watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like my video. Thank you.